to remove a hyperlink in your Google Docs document, you can click on that hyperlink like this, and then you can click on this remove link icon, and then that hyperlink will turn into a normal piece of text. And there is another way to remove a hyperlink. So one example is when you copy a piece of text from something like Wikipedia, which has a lot of links. So when you do that, and when you paste that text into your Google Docs document, you will see this link, and it's quite annoying because that didn't look right, and this is probably unnecessary if you want to print the document anyway. So if you don't want to get that hyperlink, you have to copy and paste it in the right way. So let me undo that again. And to make sure that the hyperlinks are not included, then you have to paste with formatting. So right click on any area of your document and then click paste with the formatting, or you can use this keyboard shortcut. And when you're done, you can see that there is no hyperlink on the copied text. So that's basically how you can remove hyperlinks in Google Docs. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching.